Brothers USA Beauty Care Face Out. Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Rubit Store is Nigeria's #1 online beauty store where you can shop thousands of beauty products, and the best part is we ship both wholesale and retail worldwide. Today, we are going to be doing a review on K Brothers USA Beauty Care Face Out Soap for Black Spots. The K Brothers USA Beauty Care Face Out Soap is perfect for clearing black spots. It also serves as a mini mask for the face. This USA Beauty Care Face Out Soap also serves as a cleansing bar soap made from natural plant-based extracts that helps in exfoliating the skin. It serves as an anti-acne agent recognized by science as effective on stressed skin. How to apply: rub the soap on your palm with warm water and massage and smoothly scrub on the skin, and rinse it off gently after a few minutes, 2 times a day. After 7 days of use, the skin looks radiant naturally. It helps reduce dark spots and acne to make the skin look smooth. You are also instructed to allow it to sit on the face for not more than 5 minutes, then rinse off gently. Use twice daily. Thanks for watching, guys. You can follow us on Instagram at Rubit Store. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, leave a comment, and tell us what's on your mind. Don't forget to share this video also.